Hi you guys! So, I saw this picture on Instagram of this young lady who had loose natural hair and she had this side swoop style that was just pinned up and tucked up, and I thought it was so cute and I wanted to mimic that style. Now, I don't do many styles in my hair, to be honest. It's not something that I am used to doing, but I'm trying different things and I'm at a different part of my journey where I'm trying different styles and I wanted to mimic this style. So this is the results that I got. This is how it turned out for me when I did it. And I think it's cute. I really like it. It's a really classic style. I'm sure I'm not the creator of this style and this is not anything new under the sun. And I'm sure some other locker probably already did a style like this or similar. However, I still want to show it to you guys. Anyway, yeah, but I would love for you guys to try it. Let me know what you guys think about the style, and if you do try it, don't forget to tag me on Instagram and show your pictures or email them to me so I can see your pictures. Now the sad part is I have to take this whole thing down to do it all over again because I didn't record it when I was doing it the first time. So hopefully it turns out the same again. If not, at least you guys get to see, at least you guys saw the first cute result of it. Alright, so let's begin. So the items that you'll need to achieve this hairstyle are pins and rubber bands and your creativity and imagination. The hair, I have a part right here, a small part, nothing too crazy. And then I just did like a separation in the back, just like that. On this side, I want to do a fishtail braid. So this entire side right here is going to get a really big, giant fishtail braid. If you guys don't know how to do fishtail braids, I'll leave links to videos below showing step by step. Okay, so I'll move the camera a little bit because I'm going to be looking in my mirror for this one, you guys. So it's easier for me to work that way. So if I'm not looking at the camera, it's because I'm watching my mirror. I think this is the most I can go. Put a rubber band at the end. If you have any that's sticking out like these, just tuck them in somewhere. So these I'm just gonna tuck. So when you're done, it should look something like this. It might not be the neatest, but just keep going. You can always just tuck in and finish later. Okay, so this is how it looks for me. Now for this side, I didn't want to do a fishtail again because I wanted to do something different. So this side is easier than this side. So hopefully that makes you guys happy. All we're gonna do is a big giant roll on this side or a flat twist, whatever you want to call it. So basically, take all your hair, hold it like this. And sorry about the makeup on my hands, you guys, but that's not what this video is about. It's about the hair. And just twist and twist, twist and twist and twist. Just one big giant twist. And make sure you're not doing it too tight, you guys. So that is that. Now, rubber band again. So I'm doubling up the rubber bands to hold this twist. So it will fall just a little bit, but not much. Now all we're going to do is to make it look somewhat decent. We're just gonna tuck and pin the rest of it. So this is how it should look right about now. So first I'm going to work with this part here. And all I'm doing is, I can't see, so I'm just guessing. I'm just rolling like this. All the way down to the end. And I'm just going to try and just pin it somehow. Okay, so far that side is holding. And you guys, this style does require a good amount of pins unless you can get it to hold with less, but I used a good amount. But do what works for you. And this side now, and then same concept, just bring it around and just find a spot for it somewhere and just start pinning. So now that it's semi-done, we're just gonna tuck and tuck our life away until it's nice and neat. So for example, these ones right here, just gonna tuck them in somewhere. Just tuck them in. You might have to pin some of them down, but if you can just tuck it in, just tuck it in. Look. So as you guys can see, that's basically it for the style. This is how it looks the second time I did it. So, and this is just proof that when you do a style that you see on YouTube, it's not always going to turn out exactly how that person did it, because I just did it based on I just did this over again from the previous clip you guys saw when I first started the video. And it's not exactly the same, it is a little bit different. But you keep doing it with practice over time, and you basically adding your own spin to it. You make it your own. Oh, I forgot to mention, before I started doing the style, I spritzed my hair just to make it more pliable and to not make my hair so stiff with a little bit of rose water. If you don't have rose water, feel free to spritz your hair with a little bit of regular water if you like. I just recommend it because it reduces the break-in of your hair, the breakage of your strands. Think you're cute. Yes, I do.